Alright everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, happy Tuesday. This is Mike, the FX boss, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube, soundcheck, alright, and the other streaming platforms. And welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto Course 101. What we are trying to do here, we are trying to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in about 3 years, on average, in an institutional way, right? Do you remember, everybody, what is an institutional way? There you go. You are first an analyst, right? First an analyst, then you're a trader. How to become a professional trader in an institutional way? The first year, it's all about the market. It's Forex Course 101. It's called the learning phase. You are going to learn how this market works. You're going to learn how to lose less, hopefully. And then you need to go to the FX 202, also called the Advanced Institutional Trader course or program. All right, and it's all about the money, how institutions make money. All right, everybody? This is from zero to a millionaire trader potentially in 3 years on average. You're first an analyst, then you're a trader. All right? Boss, can I make money with Forex Course 101 or the Technical Forex and Crypto Course 101 this year? Yes, you can. But then is the next question, boss, can I make consistent profits with the Course 101? Well, now it's not going to be enough. All right? Course 101, everybody, is the foundation. It's where you are learning all about the market, how this market works. But in the next course, it's all about the business. And you can talk to Javen if he's going to be here, and other, Shola and everybody else. All right, everybody, never forget you're going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place. You're working on number 2. And number 3, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Read disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And for questions and homeworks, you have my email. For extra webinars, seminars, we are running right now the Fibonacci Mastery course. We have Skype and Zoom. And if you didn't receive the free manual, everybody ask for it. All right. And if you want to get the free ebook about it's called the Little Book of Trading Secrets, you can visit the FX Boss website, which is, I believe it's here. So this is going to appear, once you get on the Little Book of Trading Secrets. Put your name, surname, your email, and you are ready to go, right? And that's the book. The Little Book of Trading. Who is this beautiful man? Who is this beautiful man? That's the book of the Trading Secrets, All right, everybody, any questions so far before we go to charts? We are on AUD USD. We were talking about yesterday we were on the 4-hour chart, right? We were on AUD USD on the 4-hour chart. Any questions so far? Remember, everybody, so from the manual, we are in the second module. So lesson number 1, it was market structure and trends, and it goes with lesson 1 to lesson 17. And then from lesson 17 forward, we are in what is called timing and retracement trading. Okay? So far, we've learned that in an uptrend, you can trade what? And also in a downtrend, you can trade what? Hello Sam, how are you? And then we learned that in an uptrend, if you want to trade extensions, or in a downtrend, if you want to trade extensions, the probability game, you know, so we are piling up the knowledge, right? It's called the probabilities. So far we learned trend lines, counter trend lines break, market direction, right? Trends, market wave, plus now we have support resistance pivot points. Okay, everybody? So if I see the chart, right? If I see the chart, Sam, tell me a currency pair. When I'm looking at charts, I need to find the market wave, right? I need to find the market wave, and once I find the market wave, then I can, if I want, I can micromanage my trades, meaning I can get more specific to, do I want to trade retracement or do I want to trade extension? Does it make sense, everybody? Yellow, transparent, and here too. Or anybody else tell me a currency pair on YouTube too? Alright, so if I see a chart or a trend like this, I'm going to conform the trend with what? Uptrend line first, then I can time my entry with the counter trend line break, right? And now we are trying to understand that the reversal, so I'm projecting, right? All right, the green one is the trend, so it's going to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then it's going to, after the extension, what must come? A retracement must come. It's going to make lower low, lower high, lower low. So once the market is retracing, everybody, we can project that the next high probability reversal is going to happen at past support. Alright? And this is a no-brainer, if you ask me. Give me a second. There we go. And the same is going to go as per the downtrend, you know. So the market is going to make extension. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. After the extension, what must come? A retracement must come, so it's going to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I am projecting that the next reversal is going to happen at past resistance. Alright? In here, this is past resistance. Can you see it, everybody? It's a no-brainer, right? Can you do this, everyone? Sam is saying USD CHF. All right, let's F11 and clone chart. Clone chart. Whoops. I'm here. Oh, it's here. So let's go to USD CHF. All right, everybody. How are you going to take advantage? Do you have any specific time frame, Sam? Yes, you can ask for a currency pair and a time frame. It's all the same. Forex course 101, Forex and crypto course 101. You know, the concepts were the same on all time frames. You can ask for a 15-minute chart, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, daily, monthly, weekly. 1 minute, no. 5 minutes, maybe not. It's too fast to teach. But you can learn the concepts on the 15-minute chart if you want. Okay? Right. So everybody, how are we going to take advantage on USD CHF for our chart? For our chart, all right. Everybody, is this market up, down, or sideways? What do you think? And we've learned in the first module, before I went on vacation, we've learned that we have a trading time frame, which is the 4-hour chart, and then we have the confirmation time frame, remember? So if I cannot clearly see what is happening on the 4-hour chart, I'm going to go on the daily. All of this is in the manual, everybody. On the daily. Now, what can you see from the daily? Can you see anything from the daily, everybody? Can you see anything from the daily chart? Boss, I don't know. Well, if we use the knowledge from the trend lines, do we agree that the market was in an uptrend? And then do we agree that the market broke the uptrend and went down to the downtrend like this? And then do we agree that the market stopped going down, the market broke the downtrend, went back up in an uptrend like this? And then the market stopped going up in an uptrend, broke the uptrend, and it's in a downtrend like this. Do we agree on that, everybody? Do we agree on this visual, maybe? You can say yes, I agree. You can say no, I don't agree. We're here to learn. There is no right or wrong. Do we agree on that, everybody? All right, so if we agree that the market was in an uptrend and the market broke, so this uptrend line, it's not relevant anymore, we're going to delete it. The market was in a downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, but then it broke to an uptrend, so we are going to delete this too, not relevant. Lastly, the market was in an uptrend on the daily and broke, so this is not relevant anymore. So do we agree that right now the market is like this? Okay, everybody. Now there is one more market behavior that shorting the market right now could be potentially dangerous. All right? You can make money easily in an uptrend. You can make money easily in a downtrend. But you are going to give it all back to the market when this sucker comes along. What is this sucker's name? Sam says I agree. Everybody, what is this sucker's name? Beginner traders, intermediate traders make money and then lose money, give it back to the market, and make money and then lose money, and they give 70% of the profits or more back to the market. And it's an ongoing pain this year and the next year and the 3 years and 4 years, right? How many of you online are making money in here, and you're making money in here, but then you give it back to the market in here? What is this sucker's name? This is a market behavior which, if you don't identify, is going to clean up your bank account or trading account. If you're going to stubbornly buy up in here, or if you're going to stubbornly sell down in here, you are going to give portion of your profits. Exactly, consolidation. It's going to take some time, everybody, and there is no right or wrong, right? But if you ask me, and I don't have the confirmation yet, the market must make down in here, start making higher highs, higher lows. But so far we have a 75% confirmed consolidation. Can you see it? JVN consolidation. Can you see it, everybody? It's not confirmed yet, right? So far the market is falling. So just for this exercise purposes, let's say that we are here, and so this is the daily visual. Now we're going to back on the 4-hour chart. See how it's difficult to not to spot consolidation? And double bottom. So just for the sake of this exercise, everybody, we are learning how to trade retracement and extensions. So do we agree that the market back in time went up in here, and some of you bought the market, some of you bought USD CHF on the smaller time frames, and then the market was going up, but then it pushed down. Do we agree? So as a good student of the FX Boss, how we are going to understand the market? You are going to try to identify the short-term trends. You are going to try to identify the change in the short-term trends. You're going to try to identify the short-term downtrend, and then you're going to identify the short-term uptrend, and then you're going to identify the short-term downtrend. And when connecting those, you are going to see a down market wave, right? So let's try to put this theory into practice in here. Okay? So we're going to zoom in, everybody, and remember what we're looking for a change in the short-term trend, right? So high to low, low to high to low to high to low, high, low, high, low, high to low, low to high, low, high, low. And then the market went up, right? High, low, high, low, high, low. All right, and then lower, low, lower, high. Give me a second. All right. So let's do like this. And then we're going to change high to low, low to high, 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 high to low. And this is going to be red because it's falling. All right, and high to low, not a low, not a low. This is low. That's the low. Question, everybody: do you see a change in the short-term trend on the chart? Can you see the market making hard highs, hard lows, hard highs, hard lows, and then lower lows, lower highs, lower? Can you see this change, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I can see it, or type in the chat, no, I cannot see it. Can you see it, everybody? Sam says, yes, sir. So I need to, now we need to, everybody, we need to connect, right? So we need to find the relevant highs and lows. That's the relevant high. That's the relevant low, because it's the lowest low. And that's the relevant high, right? Should you go short or long down in here? Should you buy or sell down in here? What should you do? Boss, teach me how to make money. Should you buy or sell down in here? Javan says, yes, I can see it. Everybody, pen and paper, and write this down. If I want to understand this market, when I lose, I must find out why did I lose based on the technicals. And when I win, I must find out why did I win based on the technicals. Does this make sense to you? This market, thanks God, it's pure logic. Javan, it's political. Stay out, like Switzerland. Stay out. No. What would you do? Would you buy? Would you sell? Everybody, how do you see this market? Should you buy this market? Should you sell this market? And I'm sorry to tell you, Javan, you cannot stay out. In the meantime, everybody, you can connect to each other, talking about you becoming a millionaire trader in 3 years. Javan, it's in the money phase. See in here? You can talk to him. What is it like? Is it easy? Not easy? Okay, everybody. Forex course 202, the institutional trader course, it's the money phase. Here you learn how to make the money. Forex course 101. Now it's Forex and crypto course. It's all about how this market works. All right. Now this is that's the free ebook you can get from the website. Just put your name, surname, email, and you get this ebook. Who is this beautiful man? We're getting older, Javen, you know. Javen says buy. Why would you buy? Teacher Javen, why would you buy a downtrend? I can clearly see the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Why would you buy down in here? Sam, would you buy or would you sell? And everybody else online, participate to the conversation. This is how we learn. Don't be shy. I don't bite. And there is no right or wrong. There are no stupid questions. Javen says buy. Why would you buy? It's making lower lows or highs. Hedge fund trader Sam, what would you do down in here? Oh, congratulations to Javen. After a low, a high must come. Very good, good answer. See everybody, if you buy that, if you sell down in here, talking about the extension, retracement extension, the timing, the better, there is no right or wrong, but probability wise the better timing was when the short-term trends start to change. Those are the best entries. Does this make sense? But some of you are downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and if you short the market down in here, you forget that after the extension, what must come? It is the downtrend. I cannot buy yet. Very good, excellent, fair too. So maybe it's prematurely for me to buy because the market's still making lower lows, lower highs. All right, but shorting the market right now, you know, we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so the market is kind of sideways, and see everybody, after the extension, what must come? Did or didn't Javen make some money? Or it's still making money, right? Can you see everybody? Some of you get frustrated and lose your patience, or you give it back to the market. The market is going to stop you out. Some of you short the market and you put the stop loss above this candle, or you put the stop loss above this high, you know, and the market is going to stop you out because you were buying the moment, you were selling the moment to short the market was up in here. Those are the best entries, and those are no-brainers. All right? Now, do we agree that this is the relevant low from the market wave? If I'm charting the market wave extension, retracement, extension, if the blue is my market wave, do we agree that this is the relevant low? So this low is relevant for what? Number one, for the retracement trading. If I want to take advantage of the market going up, I should profit take somewhere in here, and then as the theory says, extension, retracement, extension. Now this is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. 7 times out of 10, the market is going to find a level of past resistance, and it's a level, it's not aligned to the pip, and then it's going to go back down. All right? Sometimes it's going to break through in the no trade zone. Sometimes it's going to offer you a false breakout, whatever. But at least in theory, everybody, try to find those ones. Okay? So let's see how this is going to play out. Javen says I'm going to buy. So Javen was entering the market in here. Javen would have double bottoms, all good. Counter trendline break, all good. But Javen must profit take somewhere around in here. And let's see how this is going to go. And zoom in, alright, zooming in. Make it bigger, right? Zooming in, Javen it's buying long. Alright. And the market's moving, still moving up. Javen is out most likely, hit his profit level and still the market moving sideways, going up, let's see. And moving forward and moving forward and did the market not respond to past resistance? What's the answer? Everybody, did the market respond to past resistance? Did the market hit past resistance before it changed direction of the short-term trend and start making again lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs? Yes or no? That's the knowledge. Boss, you are a genius. No, I'm not. This is how this market works. It seems like magic. I'm asking you, everybody, you're the teacher, I'm the student, did the market respond to the relevant low, past resistance, in a downtrend? This is theory. Now you have the live market showing to you how this market moves. Lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, and the next retracement, higher high, higher low, and then it's going to react to past resistance. This one maybe, can you see it, everybody? You have the theory, and now you have the live market. Javan is saying the market responds to past resistance. Sam is saying the market responds to past resistance. See, everybody, so if you would enter counter trendline breaking here to short the market, this would be premature. Make sense? Why? Technical Forex and Crypto Course 101, because you are waiting to see the change in the short-term trend. The highs and lows are here. This is the high of the short-term downtrend. That's the lowest, lower low. That's the lower high. And that is the lower low. See, everybody, only when you can chart high to low, low to high, high to low, only and only then you have a confirmed downtrend. Do we agree on that? Sometimes the market is going to retrace more beautifully, but sometimes the market is going to do, is going to do like this. So here is going to be your entry to short the market. Boss, I don't understand why. Because you are looking for the change in the short-term trend. You are looking for the change in the short-term trend, everybody. Does this make sense to you? If you want to be more secure, wait for the short-term trend to change. And if you want, check your account, everybody. How many losers wouldn't you have if you would wait for the short-term downtrend, for the trend to change, to appear? How many times did you enter prematurely because you were thinking that, oh, this market is going to reverse, or oh, this market is falling, or whatever? You know, this is here, it's a great example of a premature entry. You know, the market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? And if this would be the case, do you have a short-term downtrend in here? No, you don't, right? And some is going to short the market in here. Do you have a short-term downtrend? Is this a downtrend? No, it's not, right? Moving forward, right? Do you have the short-term downtrend, high to low, low to high, high to low? You have, right? But then what happened? It went up and down and up and down and up and down. Yes, everybody, it's not going to be always that beautiful. All right, so this is the entry, if you want. And if we short, so lower low, lower high, you know, maybe counter trend line breaking here. You know, where does the stop loss go? Another big issue with beginner traders. Where does the stop loss go? Talking about the blue. Should the stop loss go, everybody? If I zoom in, and if I delete a few, right? Delete, not to be that polluted, the chart. Should the stop loss go, everybody, above this candle, or should the stop loss go above the blue relevant high? Where should the stop loss go? Is the, not right or wrong, is the safest stop loss the stop loss number 1, or is the safest stop loss the stop loss number 2? Which one is the safest stop loss? Boss, those are the same. No, they are not. No, they are not the same. Everybody, is it safer to put the stop loss above the blue high, or is it safer to put the stop loss above the red high? Which one is safer? Number 2, exactly. We talked about this yesterday. What if the market goes back up here like this and stops you out? The market is not going to change or break the pattern. Only and only then if the market goes like this and breaks the relevant high. Only then you are not in a downtrend anymore or down market wave. You are in an up market wave. Why, boss? Why? Because it broke the relevant high. So, dear students, when you enter the market, be aware. Alright, try to get an understanding when you trade on the 50-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Try to understand, is your stop loss at the blue level, the highs and the lows, and not of those are relevant, or is your stop loss at the better level? Right, everybody? So let's see how this is going to play out. Market goes down and back up and sideways and moving up and moving up and oh my gosh, moving up and moving up. Ooh. See, everybody? So this would be a loser. This would be a loser. This would be a loser too in this example. So when this happens, we're going to delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Where is this market going to go? This was a loser too, right? Losing trade. Is this market going to hit past resistance again? And when this happens, everybody, you have another plethora of emotions, right? Now that the market, you've shorted the market, and now the market stopped you out. The market went back up to past resistance. Remember, it's a level, all right? I need to readjust. This extension goes like this now, all right? Because the market went into a further deeper retracement, and give it a second, and now then the market is going to break the counter trend line again, and we're going to use the same concept, lower low, lower high, lower low. You are going to get scared and you are not going to enter the market. Did this happen to everybody? The market went up and down, up and down. We lost on a trade, and then the next opportunity comes along and I'm reluctant to take this trade because I'm scared. And my brain is saying, oh my gosh, we are now at past support. Can you relate to this, everybody? This is because we don't trust education and we don't trust concepts. Make sense? You must be aware. Look at the blue. Can you see the blue line, everybody? You must be aware and faithful to the knowledge and to the understanding that, all right, even the market went into a deeper retracement, the market wave, the blue, is still in place. Otherwise, I'm going to be scared to short the market in here because I'm going to say, oh my gosh, it's past support, this market is going to go up. So you're going to stay out, or you are going to buy. When me, I'm going to make peace with the loser. It's alright, I didn't do anything wrong. I need to readjust the market wave and the interpretation of the market, and I'm going to short the market. Let's see how this is going to go. Some of you are going to stay in, some of you are going to sell, some of you are going to buy. Javen is going to stay out. Let's see what is going to happen. Can you see, everybody, how this market works? And give it a thumb up to Dukascopy Academy on YouTube if you find value in those lessons. And send an email to Dukascopy says, oh, thank you, because you are teaching us for free. Can you see, everybody, what happens when you have the wrong interpretation of the market? Boss, but this is past support. It doesn't matter. The pattern is the driving force. Take a pen and paper, everybody, and write this down. The patterns are the driving force. This is a pattern. This is a pattern too. Make sense? This is a pattern too. Consolidation. Crumbs. That's a pattern too. Then you have pennants and widgets. That's a pattern too. Not to talk about the Fibonacci's. You know, Fibonacci ABC. That's a pattern too, and so on and so on and so on. The pattern that you are trading, it's the driving force. So when you have something like this, everybody, an uptrend like this, right? And the market's making lower lows, lower highs, and the market is in here, you know, you must understand that this retracement is not the driving force. Make sense, everybody? Even if you see, oh, but it's past resistance. All right? The circle, the retracement, it's not the driving force. The big one is the driving force. Okay? Whatever you do, just remember that you shorting the market in here is going to be short term, because sooner or later the market is going to push back up. And if you stay out in here because you are scared, or you see, oh my gosh, past resistance again, right? You don't see the future like this. Me and Javen, we are going to buy. We see past resistance like you, everybody, but we also see, oh, the big one. I have past resistance, but the market is down to here. It's also past support. Can you see it? So me and Javen, we're going to buy, somebody's going to sell, somebody's going to stay out, and me and Javen are going to, hopefully, right? Questions? Do you have any questions, everybody? To which Fibonacci level should we consider the retracement of the market wave at the end? All of them. We're going to learn Fibonacci's, everybody, in the future lessons. It's part of the course. But just quickly, right? Let's see if I would chart in the correct way, extension, retracement, extension, and short those ones. So I'm waiting for the market to make a lower low, further down. All right, can you see, everybody? Now look at this. This is the next extension, retracement, extension. And this one. All right, now let's see if this market, this is the new relevant low, that's the new relevant high. Let's see if this market is going to come to this level. All right, and up 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 and down and further down. All right, everybody, so no, it didn't. Remember, this is not a line. Give me a second. Remember, that's not a line to the pip. All right, everybody? So, look in here. Didn't this high respond to this level of past resistance? Yeah, it's far away, I agree with you. But look in here. Yes, you have this in the manual. All right, everybody, and we are here right now. In conclusion for today, everybody, from the manual, we are going to learn, we have how to trade support and resistance in sideways channel, how to trade sideways channel inside the trend, multiple time frame trading, market structure. Then we have Japanese candlesticks from the manual. Then we have the crown, and then we have the Fibonacci. So yes, Fibonacci is part of the course. Javen says yes, he did. Okay, everybody, if you want the free manual, send me an email. If you want the book, which I don't know what it is. Oh, I closed it. If you want this book, the little book of trading secrets from this beautiful guy, go to the website. And remember, it's going to take you on average 3 years to become a millionaire trader in an institutional way. First you are the analyst. First you learn how to understand the market. You are rating yourself as an analyst. It doesn't matter what currency per crypto or time frame. And then you go to the Advanced Institutional Trader course. Okay, everybody? And I know it's a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but this is your fast track. Okay? I know not everybody has $5,000 or euros. I know this, don't worry. But this is the fast track. Alright? Save a few years and talk to me when you have this money. If you want, not mandatory. With 5,000 euros or dollars, you get the Advanced Institutional Trader program for 1 year. All the extra courses for free. Javen knows about the Fibonacci Mastery Index course, learned how to hedge, how to build a system, and so on. Number 3, you get a Darwin Zero account for 1 year for free, where you can get funded with real capital. Some of you did it. And number 4, you trade with me. Right, everybody? On Skype we have the hedge cap folder. When I give you my weekly plan, and you can see what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and so on and so on and so on. Alright, everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss.